Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Before I get started, from a disclosure perspective, I do want to note that I do own Litecoin and I am long. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And because cryptocurrencies are open 24/7, it allows me to talk about more so broad areas of the chart and then have the chart remain relevant for as long as possible. Mainly for the next 24 hours, as I'll plan on coming back and doing this one before the weekend tomorrow. But yeah, like I said, doing the 4-hour, it just makes the chart applicable for a longer period of time. For those of you that have watched the past videos, then you probably know right where I'm going to go with this. But as it stands right now, as I talked about in yesterday's video, the resistance up here at 250 has indeed held, and not only has it held, it's held strong enough to the point where it's now pushing the price back downwards. However, now the price has approached a very important technical level, which I've talked about in past videos, including yesterday's, and that has everything to do with that pink line right there, which is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you just have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that, assuming you're bullish, of course, you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. And that's definitely the boat that I'm in. I mean, like I said, I am long. And so from a technical perspective, that this is a very important level. Now, when I'm long for like the next years. For me, it's just let's see what happens. So I'm not trading this or anything. So if it breaks down through there, am I going to freak out and sell? No, because that's just not my time span going in. But if you are looking at this from a trading perspective, then from that viewpoint, that pink line is very, very important. If the price cannot hold above the pink line, then in my opinion, at minimum, the price is probably headed down to $210, which is this green line down here. No such thing as a guarantee, so I can't say that you should go and put the kids' college tuition on some sort of short trade or anything like that. But technically speaking, the next level of support isn't until down around 210, so it would not be shocking at all to see the price head down there if that pink line doesn't hold. However, to be fair to the bulls, so far so good. That pink line is holding strong, I should say. And I'd like to see it start to go straight up, but it may need a little bit more consolidation here. But literally right now, as I speak, you can see the price is knocking on the door of that pink line. So it'll be interesting 24 hours from now to see where the chart resides. Of course, if the price does start to head up, nothing new there. 250 is still that key battleground that needs to be broken through and then maintained above. So we'll see what happens with it right now. But key focal point at this point, and as far as this chart is concerned for the next 24 hours, let's see how the price reacts right here around this pink line.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.